So I started my course with Abhishek Bhaiya during the lockdown. Like I went through his profile, the Ultimate Trading System on Instagram, and it was pretty impressive of all the things that he had already posted by then. And I went through the courses, the model courses that he offers on his website, and the way he explained things in those model courses, it was very impressive. And so I obviously contacted him and had a word with him, got into touch, and we started with the course during the lockdown only. And the experience that I had with him was amazing. That I already have a running business, and along with that I do trade markets. So that was the main concern that I had in the beginning, whether I'll be able to do that or not. But Abhishek Bhaiya made it very easy for me. And another thing that I would like to tell is that you don't want to have any economics, maths, history, markets, XYZ background for any of the things that he's going to teach you. You just need to understand the basic things that he tells you and practice what he tells you. If you do what he says, and if you're disciplined about it, then he'll make it very easy for you. The trade markets, Abhishek Bhaiya is the key, the ultimate trading system, that I would say.